Workshop day 1. How's it going?
Fantastic. Sun just came out. Couldn't be better.
I'd move into the flowers.
Yeah.
Just because from here, it's kind of just like a little snapshot.
Yeah. Sorry, Caroline.
We're in a big circle right here, eh?
Yeah. Now the sky is crazy. Look at that. Look at the sky. What the heck?
How'd you like that sunset, Michael?
It's terrible. I think I got bit about 50,000 times.
Good light though.
Sunset was amazing.
First day was awesome.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
Awesome.
It's 5 a.m.
You guys ready for a sunrise shoot today?
Well, ready. More, what is the phrase? More ready than as ready as I'll ever be. She got there. That's all that matters.
What are you shooting, Peter?
The mountain and the river.
Fantastic. 3:30 a.m. hike. You guys ready?
Totally.
Woohoo! I hope that was believable.
How you feeling, Peter?
Tired, but good.
Good. Almost there.
So cool.
Altitude makes people crazy.
Excited for the first night shoot?
Yes.
Hell yeah!
Woohoo!
Sarah, can you tell us what we're making for dinner?
Fish, you know, that we caught earlier today, something like that. You know, it's a good North Atlantic salmon caught here in the wilds of Wyoming.
Oh yeah, I got some pasta, salmon, some broccoli, and more salmon.
I leave that typically on standard.
Okay.
You can leave it on high.
Hot air.
Wow, well. Is the broccoli done? That makes
Have you got any more like little twigs or something? Or is that it? Well.
Alright, who wants to help me pull the broccoli?
Cheers.
Awesome. Lots of fish over here, people.
Amazing.
Is anybody ready for more fish?
Almost.
I'll bring it around. Setting it all up, getting ready to.
It's focused.
We're just going to adjust this focus now.
Nice.
Hey Caroline, are you ready for Cascade Canyon? So ready! Yeah!
Yeah!
Trying to shoot an elusive moose, but it's not cooperating.
Now we're waking up at 4:30 this morning. We're out here on Jenny Lake from the String Lake trail, and we're about to get a sunset in a few minutes.
Sunrise.
Yeah.
See from
trip.